guys, welcome back to Cindy Bag Artistry with another series of Instaglamorous. And a couple of weeks ago I posted on my Insta stories about this beautiful green teal kind of look that I really found was super fabulous. So you're gonna follow me if you stay tuned, so to see how this look comes together. So keep on watching. One of the things I'm going to do, because of this lockdown, I'm trying to preserve my eyelash extensions. So I'm also an eyelash technician. So I'm using my iPad because I don't have any eye shields. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on the back of my hand like this to take off the sticky. And I'm just going to place it on my eye. Just like that. Because I have already done my base and I don't want to ruin the lashes. I really find that the last time when I did a tutorial, it just made a big mess. So let's try this. All right. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my kryolan Professional Makeup Aqua. And why I'm using this product is because I want my green to be very pigmented, because in the photo that I'm going to share with you, it's a very pigmented look. So I'm taking this white and I'm just applying it to my eye, my mobile lid, like so. You're probably wondering what this will do. It will enhance the color of my eyeshadow so that it really pops. So this is why I'm applying this aqua color first. Now, using the Morphe 35B palette, I am going to go in with the white color shade here just to set my aqua color. So I'm just pressing that in like so, because I find that if you don't set your anything liquid, then it feels like it becomes choppy, and the more choppy your makeup is, the harder it is to blend. And now going in with the Anastasia Prism Kit, I am going in with the shade, the shade Saturn, which is right here. It's like a perfect burnt orange. Now this palette is super pigmented, so I am definitely going to take my time with it. I'm putting less is more, and I'm just going to apply that to my crease because I can always build if I need to. So I'm applying that to my crease now. Now I'm going to use a brush with nothing on it, and I'm going to just blend this out to make it a little less dense. So I'm blending this out. And then I'm going to spray my Atelier Paris number 10 brush here. I'm going to spray that with Mac Fix Plus. And I'm gonna go back in my Morphe palette and I'm gonna pick up the green that resembles the picture. So what she's wearing is a beautiful bright green. This one has like shimmery reflex, this one is matte. So I'm gonna combine the two. Alright, so using this glitter, it is glittery though, and this mixture so that the glitter sticks on, I am going to combine the two and place them on. Now I'm going to pull off the shield and I'm going to make sure that I'm getting everywhere that I want to be getting. This is such a beautiful green. For those of you who know me know that green is my favorite color. And I will just fix that transition color and make sure it's all the way around. Like so. Don't worry about my lashes, I will brush those out. And next I am gonna go in with a cat eye, a winged eyeliner. And I'm using the Tattoo Liner by Kat Von D. And I am just going to use the edge of my eye as my guide. So it's helpful if I have a mirror for this. I really need to get myself one of those hand mirrors. So I want to lift, so I'm going upwards. And then I'm going to make a little triangle. Like so. See that triangle? And I'm filling it in. And then I'm going to line the rest of my eye. So I'm just gonna place that underneath my eye. I didn't expect to use shimmer, but I really find that the pigment helps bring out the look that we want to achieve. So why not? Okay, so we have one eye done, and I will see you when both are done. And we're back. So both eyes are completely the same, and if you can see, amazing color payout. Now what do you do when you have all this fallout? So you did your makeup first, your base first and everything, and you had to put glitters on or any kind of fallen pigment. So what do you do about it? And it's all over your face like you see here. Well, tip, tape. Tape solves all. So you just go in and you put it on your skin, and if you can see here, it just takes off all of that sparkle that you don't want. And I don't want all of that sparkle all over my face. I just want it exactly where I put it. Now for lips, I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Forever Artist Plexi Gloss, because my eyes are already making a statement. I don't want to go too overboard. And so here I go. Plus I found this color looks similar to the one in the picture, which I will share. And there you have it, you guys. I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope that it looked a lot more simpler than what I made it look. It really was. And look at that, I got lipstick on my teeth. And more. There, perfect. So yeah, so I will see you on the next series of Instaglamorous. Take care, you guys.